So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Mayflower Hair. I've never worked with them before, but I've heard so much about them before they reached out to me. So when they sent me an email, I said yes, definitely I would love to work with them, because I've just heard so many good reviews about their hair from people that I know personally. This is not like no YouTube video, like I've actually seen people rock their hair. So when they reached out to me, I said yes, definitely I would love to work with them. So today I'm working with their 13x4 lace front wig. This is their Cambodian hair, and the length of the wig is 22, and this is 180 density. So this is a transparent lace, so I had to go in and apply some of my foundation and powder to get the lace to match my skin tone. So you guys can see this is what the hair looks like. The hair quality is amazing, guys. Like I would really, so if you want to see how I styled and installed this wig from Mayflower Hair, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, so I've got the wig on now, and I've already gone ahead to cut off the lace around the side just so I can fit the wig around my ear properly. So you always want to cut off the sides, you know, just so the wig fits your head properly. You guys know normally I would use my bed head spray, but today I decided to use my lace glue to install the wig, and I also applied my foundation and my powder onto the lace just to get it to match my skin tone better. So after using the lace glue, I also used my bed head spray just to get the lace to like really melt into my skin. And that's it really. So now I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch this video, and I'll come back and speak to you guys once I'm done.
Romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it Mr. Romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it. We be getting different money, different day. Girl, you know I love it when you misbehave. I got something for you, a jiggy wave. Girl, you know I love the way you misbehave. It's something strange, do it again. What's your name? Say what's your name? I wanna eat champagne. I want to meet Nico. They say they want me going back to the street rap, but I'm focused on your waist, how you move it when the beat clap. Come and see that thing there on my kneecap. You know where we're heading, they all wanna be where we at. Cause you know I supply. Let's go high where angels fly. Make that sea recline, a young jigger belly relax. Mr. Romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it Mr. Romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it. She got the juice and the formula, the thing that made me call you again. I'm a soldier, I'm a warrior. That when I got you falling again, yeah. Dip it for me one time, bend it for me one time. We bumping and grinding. Got me feeling like Benzema, top striker now, we trending now. I don't ever wanna see the ending now. Time and my money I'm spending now. Cause you know I supply. Let's go high where angels fly. Make that sea recline and young jigger belly relax. It's a romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it Mr. Romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it. Romantic, you go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body.
Okay, so guys, I'm really not feeling well today, so I'm literally just trying to get through this video. That's why I'm not that's why I'm not speaking, but I think I'm done with installing this wig. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig. I really like how I've done my baby hairs today, and I think I'm gonna leave the sides like this as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig.
It's a romantic. You go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make you wine and dip. Position your body, make you. We be getting different money, different day. Girl, you know I love it when you misbehave. I got something for you, a jiggy wave. Girl, you know I love the way you misbehave. It's something strange, do it again. What's your name? Say what's your name? I wanna eat champagne. I want Tamika and Tanika. They say they want me going back to the street rap, but I'm focused on your waist, how you move it when the beat clap. Come and see that thing there on my kneecap. You know where we're heading, they all wanna be where we at. Cause you know I supply. Let's go high where angels fly. Make that seat recline, a young jigger belly relax. It's a romantic. You go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it. It's a romantic. You go spin around and make me gigantic. Position your body, make it wine and dip. Position your body, make it. She got the juice and the formula. The thing that made me call you again. I'm a soldier, I'm a warrior. The one I got you falling again. Yeah. Dip it for me one time. Bend it for me one time. We bumping and grinding. Got me feeling like Benzema. Top striker, now we trending now. I don't ever wanna see the ending now. Time and my money, I'm spending now.
Okay, so I'm done styling the wig. I'm so in love with this hair from Mayflower Hair. So this is actually my first time working with them, but I've heard so much about them before they reached out to me. So when they reached out to me for me to work with them, I said yes, definitely. Like, their hair quality is amazing. Please excuse the way I sound. I've lost my voice, but I've literally had to get this video done. So please just excuse the way I sound. When it comes to the hair quality is amazing. The only thing is, when I got the wig, the hairline, I had to go in and pluck. That is the only thing I would say, but aside from that, the lace, the hair quality is amazing. It's just the hairline, but I think I did a pretty good job in terms of like plucking and customizing the hairline, and I like the way I've done my baby hairs today. I feel like I'm really getting better at doing baby hairs, and I like how I've done the little swirl thing for the sideburns instead of cutting them off. But yeah, I think this is cute. So like I said, the wig is from Mayflower Hair, and they sent me their Cambodian hair. So the length of the hair is 22. So let me just get up so you guys can see. So this is a 22-inch wig. So the density of the wig is 180, but I feel like even for 180, this wig is really full. It feels more like it's a 200% density, so the hair's quite full. So when it comes to the lace is a transparent lace, but I had to apply my foundation and powder to get the lace to match my skin tone. But aside from that, you guys can see how good the lace is. Like, I did a great job melting this lace in today. I did an amazing job. Like, this looks really good. I feel like literally every install that I do, I get better with like my installation process and everything. But yeah guys, I'm really in love with this hair. The hair is so soft. You guys saw me curl the hair with my straighteners. You can see it definitely holds curls. Like, the hair is just really good. So I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know. And hopefully by the time I do my next video, I am not sounding like this, because this is not it. It's not it. Yeah guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.